This is the unboxing of the Mid Motor box itself. Essentially, this has this label on top that says it's a 48 volt 740 watt motor, and it has this label that says new throttle, and that's what the label said. Basically, it's got this Bafang e-bike mid motor. It's also got this dimensions on the box, and it's got the company logo and the address in China. So when I open this, looks like this is the installation manual. It comes packed in this box. It seems to be quite well packed. These are all those I guess those installation parts. This is a crank, pedal cranks. And then the motor itself is this is pretty tightly packed. So just gonna wiggle it out, kind of thing. Yeah, it's pretty tightly packed, which is a good thing. That's the motor. That's the throttle control. This is the wire harness, I think, and that's the no, actually this is the speed sensor, and maybe also the wire harness. And this is a puller, one of those crank puller. I'm not sure what this is. And this is some kind of a connector, probably the battery connector, the XT60 battery connector. And then that's the motor itself. It's pretty heavy motor. It's probably the serial number and things like that, and that's the motor. This requires a bottom bracket frame size of, I think, between 68 is ideal, but 68 to 73 millimeters, I think, is what it requires, which is, I think, this size. Yeah, so this is all that comes in the mid motor.